Alright, what is up everybody? Today's Friday. I just got done with work. Figured I'd come over to the dairy farm, see what's up with Blake, and shoot some content. You can see we got the farm manager back here again. I guess we got some cows to move and do some afternoon chores. So let's get after it. Got up to, I think, close to 50 degrees today. As you guys can see, it's a super sloppy mess out here. It's really nasty. All the snow is melting, but that's good at least. Hopefully it'll start getting cleaned up. But there's a cow out. Is that tough with the cast?
A little bit.
Oh, spill. Alrighty, Blake, what are we up to?
Helping a cow that's got a little sickness going on.
For sickness, you think it's milk fever, huh? That's why she's out there by herself.
Got to separate them when they have sickness because the other ones are too mean on them and she'll just fall down and won't be able to get up.
Right. Right. I think she's doing better though, right?
Yep.
Good.
All right, one more day and she'll be able to go back to normal.
Good deal.
There you go, princess.
Only the good stuff. Some feed for the sick one. Oh. Look out. There we go.
I think I don't want to go back into this. I'm going to stay here.
Yeah. All by herself.
I'm going to walk anywhere.
Yeah. Food delivered. Water delivered. Huh. All right. You want to explain what this orange tag is in this girl's ear?
So that orange tag tells their temperature, their body temperature, how much they're eating, how much they're moving. And this is on my phone. It's an app connected to that orange tag. And all that yellow there is her no movement and non-eating. So yesterday the blue was her eating, and today she's got a lot less eating, so that's why she's by herself. And this afternoon this blue should go back up.
This kind of shows that she's been eating, right?
Yeah, and we can obviously tell she's eating now. So
right. Who would have thought in 2025 we'd have smart cows, right? Smartphone, right. Smart cows. Huh. Cool stuff. Cool stuff.
Yeah. I'll be back. I'll be up at that barn in like 2 minutes if you want to come pick me up on the anchor.
What's up, YouTube?
Alrighty, everybody. Blake says there's a new calf in the barn, so we'll go and get it and get it. Wipe out. We'll go and get it, and they'll put it in the barn, and it'll get its first feeding today. Baby calf. Looks like it's a beef one. Right there. Boy or girl?
Oh, it's a girl. Heifer.
Girl. Little heifer calf.
Come on. Nice and wet.
Nice and wet. Fresh one, huh?
Yep.
This is Mom right here. Mom will go and come back into lactation, and she'll get her first milking this afternoon, and she'll be in lactation for about 9 months, and she'll get to come back and go on her 3-month vacation back here after she comes out of lactation. Alrighty, got her in the barn, and we'll go milk Mom, get the milk for her, and give her her first feeding in a couple hours. Now Blake's got a fresh bale of straw. He's going to put that in for the for the dry cows. These are the cows that are kind of on vacation. They're not milking right now. They're on their 3-month vacation. So. Cutting the bale open. You just kind of shaking the loader a little bit, and that straw just falls down just enough to give them a new bedding here. And then that happens. That's always the fun part.
If he was a good operator, we wouldn't have to be doing this.
Yeah, right? Grabbing a load of silage. That's so tight and compacted in there, sometimes it's even hard for the loader to scoop it up. They're all loaded up, ready to get milked. Luck, what are you doing? Hey, come here. Take care of the calves. Good dog. Alrighty guys, in the last video, I stepped in here during the feeding time, but we're about to watch the whole process here. Now what is that one?
Alfalfa.
Okay.
Alfalfa haylett.
Here's the protein pellets. Here's some corn silage. This here's ground corn. Ground corn here, you can see it's really, really fine. Makes it easier for the cows to digest it. This here's the haylage. Smells really good. And here it looks like Blake's scooping some cottonseed. See the finished product there. There's the cows chowing down. Alrighty, if you guys watched my last video, you'll remember me scraping this with that skid loader because it was so frozen. But today, since it's like 50 degrees, we'll be using a scraping tractor. As you can see, I've already made a couple passes here. Works really well. But yeah, let's get on there and let's start scraping. Gets that really clean right there. So in the last video, I remember we were piling all the manure up over there and right here because it was so frozen. And I mentioned where we usually put it all, so you guys will see that now. See here, it'll all just fall down in that grate. Just like that. And that grate leads into this pit. It's so wet and nasty that we're really not going to be able to get a good clean today just because it's going everywhere. Alrighty, got the lot scraped up. See, it's nice and clean here. And now it's gonna be on to the next task and see what we got next. I think we're gonna feed some calves. There you go. Right there. Which one? Which other one? This one. What's up, dude? Does it drink off the holder? Get in there. In there. There you go. And then is that one the one that won't drink off the holder? There we go. Chowing down. Cool. There you go. Chowing down. Alrighty, everybody, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Got everything we needed done. I'll probably be back here tomorrow morning. Might film another video. But if you like today's video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.